think. Butchering again. If you missed my earlier apologies for butchering everyone's names, I apologize again. Um, John says, I have a whole beef tenderloin from Sam's. What's a recipe for medium rare on the rare side? So we kind of talked about this with prime rib before, but it's the the doneness you want is all about temperature. So I have some charts on my time and temperatures page that kind of gives you general ranges for rare, medium, etc. Um, I like 130. I think that's a good medium rare temperature, and it's out of the danger zone, so you don't have to worry. I can do a chuck steak at 130, or I can do a fillet at 130 for an hour. I don't have to remember that, oh, I'm cooking something for 10 hours. I need to get it above 127. So I really like 130. If you want more on the rare side, I would say you might be happier with 127, 128. For a whole tenderloin, it's going to be cooked by thickness. I have a sous vide timing ruler and some links to cooking by thickness that I'll post in the comments. But for a tenderloin, it's normally going to be 3 to 4 hours. If you're below, 128, 129, you're only going to want to cook it for 3 to 4 hours because you're going to be right on the edge of the danger zone the whole time. So you're going to want to be careful and not be down there too long. If you're at 130, you can let it go a little bit longer. It's fillet, so it's going to be pretty tender already, and you don't want to let it cook for 10 hours like you can do with a prime rib roast. So my guess would be probably 128 for 2 to 4 hours, and you'd be pretty happy depending on the thickness of your whole tenderloin.